It's August 25th, 2024. You can see the raspberries are still flowering and more fruits are forming. These are ready to be harvested today. And this is the harvest from today. There's only a few blueberries left. And for indoor garden, the Hoya plant is flowering. I'm not sure if there's a seasonality. I haven't really been keeping track of the flower timing, but yeah, it seems pretty random. And a quick update on the lady slipper orchids. You can see these 3 flowers are forming nicely. Just gonna give you a few more angles. Yeah, very excited for the orchid flowers. These ones seems to be really happy.